everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today, we're going to be looking at PEPE coin. It's an Ethereum-based meme coin, and we're going to be asking the question of whether or not a surge in Ethereum to $5,000 could signal a PEPE comeback. Now, meme coins, I think they're really fascinating. Right? They're incredibly fun and unpredictable. But, you know, they're also closely tied to the performance of the underlying blockchain. So what happens to a meme coin like PEPE if Ethereum really takes off?
Yeah,
that's what we're going to find out.
But that's the million-dollar question, right? You know, PEPE's fate really seems to be tied to how Ethereum performs. And this is something that the article in trcrypto.news really highlights.
Exactly. So first, let's take a look at where PEPE stands right now. The article points out that it's taken a bit of a dip. It's down 65% from its all-time high.
Yeah.
And this is where Ethereum comes into the picture.
Yeah. The article really seems to emphasize that Ethereum's underperformance compared to some of the other big players, like, you know, Bitcoin and Solana, is a key factor in PEPE's decline.
It's interesting how everything's really connected in the crypto world. Bitcoin and Solana up 70% in the past year, while Ethereum's down 5%. So you can't help but wonder if that's had some kind of effect on PEPE's potential.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's not even just about price performance. Ethereum seems to be losing ground in other sectors too, like DeFi and NFTs. So investors are looking at alternatives like Solana, which adds another layer of complexity to PEPE's situation.
So PEPE is facing some headwinds. But the article also hints at a possible turnaround, and that's where Ethereum's potential surge comes in. The CEO of CryptoQuant predicts that Ethereum could hit $4,000 based on what's called an ascending triangle pattern on the 2-week chart. So essentially, this pattern is suggesting that Ethereum has a good chance of breaking through that $4,000 level, which could be huge.
Exactly. You know, in the trading world, we call that a bullish breakout. And surpassing $4,000 could really open the door for Ethereum to reach $5,000 in the long term. I mean, think about what that means for all of the Ethereum-based tokens, including PEPE coin. Could this be the catalyst for a meme coin resurgence?
Now we're talking. So if Ethereum starts making waves, it could lift PEPE up with it.
Potentially. But to really understand PEPE's chances, I think we need to look at its own technical indicators.
Okay, let's do it. The article points to some interesting patterns in PEPE's price action. For instance, it mentions a bullish divergence pattern emerging in what are called oscillators. Now, oscillators are basically tools that help traders analyze price momentum. If you're a visual learner, by the way, head over to our CoinTalk Podcast YouTube channel. We've got charts that break down exactly what this looks like. And don't forget to subscribe while you're there.
And what this bullish divergence suggests is that even though PEPE's price has been trending downwards, the underlying momentum might be shifting upwards. It's a little hint that things could be turning around.
Ooh, I like that. Like a sneak peek behind the curtain. Yeah. But wait, there's more. The article also talks about a bearish divergence pattern that PEPE coin is forming. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but it's all about how these downward trend lines are converging. They're squeezing together, which often indicates a potential breakout is coming.
Right, like energy building up that has to go somewhere.
So we've got these bullish and bearish divergences, creating this interesting tension. What does all this mean for PEPE's price targets? Where could it actually go from here?
Wow. The article suggests that the first major hurdle for PEPE is the 200-day moving average, which sits around 0.00001,351. That's about a 35% jump from its current price.
And just as a quick reminder, for anyone who might be new to this, the 200-day moving average is basically a line that shows the average price of PEPE over the past 200 days. Traders use this to get a sense of the overall trend and to spot potential levels where the price might bounce back. So breaking above that 200-day moving average could be a really positive sign.
Absolutely. And if PEPE can overcome that hurdle, the article even suggests that it could revisit its all-time high, 0.00000028. which would be a massive 175% increase.
Wow, now those are some serious gains, but let's be realistic here. Not every coin reaches its all-time high again.
Of course. And the article acknowledges that if Ethereum doesn't perform as well as expected, and the overall market stays weak, PEPE could face further declines. It could drop to 0.000000060, or even as low as 0.000000000. So PEPE is at a crossroads. It could soar if Ethereum takes off, but it could also stumble if things don't go as planned. What do you think, based on what we've seen so far?
Well, I think that's something we need to explore a bit further in this deep dive. We'll look at some additional factors that could influence PEPE's future, and we'll try to piece together the bigger picture for you. And for all of you watching on YouTube, you can check out those charts and price levels we've been talking about over on our CoinTalk Podcast channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. stay updated.
It's fascinating to me how much attention meme coins get. They're like the wild cards of the crypto world. Unpredictable, but captivating.
Yeah, I think what's interesting about meme coins is they really highlight that cultural side of crypto. They stem from like internet jokes and memes and trends, and they attract a whole different kind of investor. It's true. People get drawn to the community, the humor, and let's be honest, sometimes the potential for those crazy gains.
Exactly. But it's also worth noting that not all meme coins are created equal. Some are just driven by hype, while others actually try to build something more substantial.
Right. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement. But meme coins can be incredibly volatile.
Absolutely. And this brings us back to Pepe. We've looked at its current performance, we considered the potential impact of an Ethereum surge, but now let's zoom out for a second and think about the bigger picture. What about investor sentiment?
Right. How people feel about a meme coin can really influence its price. If there's a lot of hype and positive sentiment, it can push the price up. But if people lose interest, it can plummet.
Exactly. It's like a popularity contest. You need to kind of gauge whether people are still talking about the coin, whether it's trending on social media or influencers backing it. All those factors play a role.
So where does Pepe stand in the popularity contest right now?
Yeah.
I mean, it is still the second largest Ethereum-based meme coin by market cap, which is impressive.
That's true. And it definitely has a dedicated community of supporters.
Yeah, but have things cooled down a bit since its peak a few months ago?
I think it's fair to say that the initial frenzy has subsided. New meme coins have emerged. And the overall crypto market sentiment seems to be shifting towards more established projects.
So can Pepe reignite that spark? Can it recapture that energy and, become the top dog again?
It's certainly possible, especially if Ethereum does surge towards $5,000, like some analysts are predicting. That could create a more favorable environment for meme coins in general. And Pepe could ride that wave.
A rising tide lifts all boats, as they say. But if Ethereum falters, Pepe might face an uphill battle.
Right. Ultimately, it all comes down to investor sentiment and how the market evolves.
It's a fascinating case study. This one meme coin can teach us so much about, the dynamics of the crypto market, the influence of online communities, and just the unpredictable nature of hype and speculation.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that in the crypto world, things can change incredibly fast. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow.
And that's why it's so important to stay informed and do your research. If you're interested in learning more about Pepe Coin, or Ethereum, or meme coins in general, head over to our CoinTalk Podcast YouTube channel. We have tons of videos breaking down all the latest trends and analysis and insights.
Yeah, and while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment letting us know your thoughts on Pepe's future.
We love hearing from you guys. So back to Pepe. We've talked about its current performance, Ethereum's potential impact, and the overall investor sentiment. What else should people consider when thinking about Pepe's future?
Well, one crucial factor is the competition.
Competition in the meme coin space is fierce. I mean, new coins are popping up all the time, each one trying to capture that attention of investors and become the next big thing.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, Pepe isn't just battling it out with established meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. There's a whole new wave of contenders trying to steal its thunder.
So how does Pepe stack up against the competition? What are its strengths and weaknesses?
Wow.
I think one of Pepe's biggest strengths is its strong community. It has a loyal following of supporters who are really passionate about the project. And that kind of community engagement can be a really powerful force in the meme coin world.
Absolutely. A strong community can really help drive hype and spread awareness and even influence the price action. But what about weaknesses? What kind of challenges is Pepe facing?
I think one challenge is that Pepe doesn't really have a clear use case beyond being a meme coin. Some of these newer meme coins are trying to differentiate themselves by offering additional features or utility.
So they're trying to kind of evolve beyond just being a meme and offer some sort of practical value.
Exactly. And I think that's something that Pepe will need to address if it wants to stay competitive in the long run.
So it sounds like Pepe's future hinges on a few key factors here. We've got Ethereum's performance, we've got investor sentiment, and Pepe's ability to adapt to this evolving meme coin landscape.
Precisely. If those stars align, Pepe could have a very bright future.
Right.
But if not, it could fade into obscurity. It's a high-stakes game. But that's what makes the crypto world so exciting, right?
Absolutely. And that's what we love about exploring these topics with you guys. on the deep dive.
Exactly. Well, we hope you found this deep dive into PEPE coin informative and thought-provoking. And if you're looking for more in-depth analysis of PEPE Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies, be sure to head over to our CoinTalk Podcast YouTube channel.
Yeah, we have a whole library of videos there covering all the latest market trends, technical analysis, and expert insights.
And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future deep dives.
And we'd love to hear your thoughts and predictions, so leave a comment below telling us what you think about PEPE's future.
We love hearing from you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. The more people we can educate about this exciting world of crypto, the better. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, and we'll see you in the next one.